World Environmental Day 2025 is a great opportunity for all of us to reflect on a suggested theme of our land, our future. And if we would look at the focus areas that we have, I would see us as the generation of restoration. And this year's theme is beating plastic pollution. And I think all of us are guilty of causing this pollution. But the most important point is, what are we doing to be the change that we want to see? Virtusa, anchored on our Pearl values, engineering with purpose, is committed to taking accountability and responsibility for our environmental, social, and governance actions. We have committed to science-based targets. We are reporting into the carbon disclosure projects, and we have taken steps in terms of biodiversity, nature neutrality, and working on multiple areas to create the positive impact we want to be. We want to be a company that is using technology to improve the conditions of the planet, the conditions of our society, the communities we serve. We are looking at lake restoration, mangroves, and so many other things that is important to biodiversity and fighting the plastic pollution. Our procurement policies have been altered. Our supply chains have been committed to. The question is your business simply making the world a better place, or are you contributing to the problem? So let us be a company and an organization with commitments to be the change that we want to see. Let us be a company that is not short-term, looking at me and a now, but a us and a later objective of being and building and leaving this place in a better place than we have inherited from our forefathers. Thank you.